What's up, folks? Welcome back to the Mad Prince Studios, and today we're going to be working on the Uninet IColor250 label printer and cutter. I'll give you a little visual on how the printer itself works. So we'll go new project. We'll just go straight into import. We're going to go with blue today. So we're going to click on trace. Pretty much set to just go ahead and hit print. That blue light means that your cut sensor is functioning. The really neat thing about this printer is once it's done, just like that, we've got a nice sticker. We're gonna do a little Mario Kart action because who doesn't love Mario? This printer is very fast and outputs some very, very bright colors. Check this out. Look at that. Okay. Super neat, super easy to use. That's your Mario.